wife Myrna's been out of town for a month. So I wrote her this card telling her how much I miss her.